Light your way with the motion-activated LED wedge light from Maxsa Innovations. It's perfect for stairs or decks and turns on automatically when it sees you coming. The unit has a uniquely designed integrated solar panel, so you never need to plug it in. It installs using just 2 screws. Put it anywhere you need extra light. The bright light will keep you safe from a stumble or fall. It's great for your garage, deck, porch, or railing. The unit can even stand by itself. Absolutely no installation required. The solar-powered motion-activated LED wedge light, designed by Maxsa.